This is the right side crankcase of the scooter. Obviously here you would have your variator with your rollers in and the belt, and it's alright, it's in good nick, but it's not like everything's going to get cleaned over. Obviously this one is where your clutch assembly goes, obviously, and then you have your belt in between. And basically I'm going over this because I'm getting some gaskets, or a gasket maker kit, so I have to go over all these edges where it's absolutely rank. Let me squirt it in my face. And basically do this around the whole engine on all the parts where I'm going to make a gasket. So it's essentially making sure you've got a nice clean surface ready for when I get that gasket in. I'm just wondering, maybe that one would have come out, but obviously it's not. That nut there is sheared, snapped, so I thought that one was going to come out, but obviously the outside case fits well on that one. That holds it in place. Obviously need all this white away. Just going over, like I say, the whole case. Obviously you don't want to be sat watching me do all this, so this is currently what it looks like, and I'll be back on in a minute soon after I've done. I might actually try and do some of this inside too, get it all nice and shiny and chrome, because the objective is to do the whole bike. I'm getting there slowly, done a little bits here and little bits there, but obviously the forks, just keep going, keep journeying through. I did actually have it all put together, but because I had a trial to see if it would start, and I think the reason it's not starting is because of like the cylinder head. It's not all gasket down, which is why I'm getting the gasket maker. But if I get a gasket maker, I thought I might as well do the whole, like every part that I can. Alright.